I'm going to show you how to remove the radio out of Mercedes ML500, which is a 163 body style, and so that's the radio. The display doesn't work, so I need to get it replaced. So to pull it out, you'll need special tools, and I went online and got those out of eBay. They were like 20 bucks something. And for the Mercedes, I need these two ones, and you gotta insert facing this way into these like small openings at each corner of the bottom of the radio till you hear a small click. Up, one, and click, and now you just wiggle it. Easier to do with two hands. That's out. And to get these keys removed, you gotta push that lever over here. You push it and you pull it. It comes out easy. Put it back. On the back of the radio, there is a couple wires you gotta disconnect. The antenna one. Here's the radio, and to install it, like, you gotta do the same thing, just connect the wires and push it in. Like, you don't have to use those tools to get it connected. And as I said, like, I'll leave a link below for this toolkit. It's really helpful, and you won't be able to remove the radio without it. And just follow the link and have a good day.